Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to show you guys a new tractor I just picked up yesterday for 50 bucks. Yard Machines, 18.5 horsepower, 23-inch rims on the back. I believe it's a 7-speed. It might be a 6-speed, not sure. It's got high range and low range. Probably going to use this tractor to pull stuff around. It's a pretty big mower. Look at that. .5 twin. I believe it's a year 2000. I gotta get a new battery for it. It only stays charged up for a little bit. But as you can see, everything looks pretty good. I had the mowing deck on there, but I just took that off probably a couple hours ago. Alright, we'll see if she starts up.